Imagine an animal with a superpower, an ability to regrow its body parts. Sounds like a comic book character, right? But this is a reality in the animal kingdom. Nature is full of wonders and surprises, and one of those is the fascinating ability of certain animals to regenerate. Regeneration isn't just about healing a wound, it's about completely restoring a lost or damaged body part. From a tiny piece of their bodies, some creatures can create an entirely new organism. We'll be embarking on a countdown journey, exploring the top 10 animals with this astonishing ability. Each creature in our list showcases a unique aspect of the regenerative process, from regrowing limbs to reforming entire organs. As we journey from number 10 to number 1, we'll delve into the science behind these natural phenomena, understanding the how and why of their incredible abilities. So without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of animal regeneration. At number 10, we have sponges. No, this not the same ones you might find in your kitchen sink. Now you might be thinking, how can a sponge regenerate? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of these resilient creatures. Unlike us humans, sponges possess a unique ability that allows them to reassemble themselves even after being sieved through a fine mesh. This is due to their cellular structure. Each cell in a sponge is essentially a free agent, able to move around and change jobs as needed. If a sponge is disassembled, its cells can regroup, reorganize, and rebuild the entire sponge from scratch. It's a bit like a puzzle that puts itself back together. Pretty impressive, isn't it? The resilience of sponges is a vivid reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary abilities can be found in the most ordinary places. Sponges, an everyday item with an extraordinary ability. Coming in at number 9, we have salamanders, the wizards of the amphibian world. These remarkable creatures possess a fascinating ability that has left scientists in awe for years. This ability, my friends, is regeneration. Now, when we say regeneration, we don't just mean growing back a lost tail or a damaged limb, though they certainly can do that. No, salamanders take it a step further. These wizards can regenerate major parts of their organs. Imagine losing a part of your heart and being able to grow it back. Sounds like science fiction, right? But for salamanders, it's everyday life. They can repair or replace parts of their heart and other vital organs with amazing precision. The secret to their regenerative prowess lies in their cells, which can transform into different types of cells as needed. This allows them to regenerate lost or damaged body parts with remarkable accuracy. Salamanders, truly a marvel of nature. In the 8th spot, we have spiders, creatures that are more than just 8-legged wonders. These marvelous critters possess a captivating ability to repair themselves. Did you know that spiders can regenerate their lost legs? Yes, that's right. When a spider loses a leg, it doesn't mean a lifetime of hobbling about on 7. Instead, these resilient creatures have an almost miraculous way of bouncing back. During their growth cycle, spiders go through a process known as molting. This is when they shed their exoskeleton, a bit like how snakes shed their skin. It's during this molting process that a spider can regenerate any lost limbs. Each time they molt, the new leg grows back a little more, until it's fully formed again. It's a remarkable demonstration of nature's resilience and adaptability. Even the tiniest creatures have evolved sophisticated strategies to survive and thrive in the face of adversity. Spiders, small but mighty in the face of adversity. Number 7 on our list is the Spiny Mouse, a tiny creature with a big secret. Now, you might think of mice as rather common, but the Spiny Mouse is anything but. This little rodent has a regenerative ability that would make a comic book superhero envious. It can regrow its skin, cartilage, hair follicles, and even sweat glands. Imagine the possibilities if we humans held the same power. A cut or scrape, no problem, just wait a while and it's as if it never happened. But for the Spiny Mouse, it's not about convenience. In the wild, shedding and regrowing skin is a useful escape tactic when caught by predators. This small creature's resilience is not just impressive, it's also a fascinating subject for scientific study. By understanding how the Spiny Mouse does it, we might unlock the secrets of regenerative medicine for humans. Spiny mice, proving that size doesn't limit one's power. At number 6, meet the starfish, the shining star of sea regeneration. This fascinating creature of the deep is more than just a pretty face. It possesses an amazing ability that leaves us in awe. Regeneration. Yes, the starfish is a master of regeneration, able to regrow its arms if they are lost to predators or accidents. But it doesn't stop there. Some species of starfish can regenerate an entire new body from a single arm. Imagine being able to grow an entire new you from just an arm. This extraordinary ability is due to the starfish's complex and unique biology. Each of its arms contains vital organs, allowing it to survive and regrow when necessary. This means that even when a starfish loses an arm, it's not a loss at all. It's the beginning of a whole new life. Starfish, the celestial symbol of regeneration in the ocean. Cruising into the fifth spot are sharks, known for their fearsome reputation and less known for their regenerative capabilities. Despite their intimidating presence in the ocean, sharks have a softer side that's all about survival. When it comes to regeneration, these ocean dwellers are truly a marvel of nature. Unlike humans who only have 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime, sharks boast an endless supply. As a shark loses a tooth, another one moves forward from the rows of backup teeth like a well-oiled assembly line. This process continues throughout the shark's life, ensuring they never run out of their primary hunting tool. Interestingly, sharks can replace their teeth every 1 to 2 weeks. Over a lifetime, a shark can grow and use over 30,000 teeth. It's a dental regeneration feat that leaves even the most prolific tooth fairies out of business. Sharks, the toothy titans of regeneration. In the 4th spot, we have the Mexican Tetra, a cave-dwelling marvel. This unassuming little fish, a native to the waters of Central America, holds a remarkable secret. Unlike us humans, the Mexican Tetra has the astounding ability to regenerate its heart tissue. Now that's a superpower we all could use, right? Imagine the implications. A heart damaged by disease or injury, able to mend itself. It's a concept that seems ripped straight from the pages of a science fiction novel. But for the Mexican Tetra, it's just another day in the life. Scientists are studying this fascinating creature, hoping to unlock its regenerative secrets. With luck, they might pave the way for groundbreaking medical advancements. For now, though, the mysteries of the Mexican Tetra's healing heart remain largely undiscovered, lurking beneath the surface, much like the fish itself. Mexican Tetra, a heartwarming tale of regeneration from the depths of the caves. Number 3 on our list are the chameleons, masters of camouflage and regeneration. Chameleons, most notably recognized for their ability to change color, often steal the spotlight with their vibrant hues and hypnotic eye movements. But there's more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. Possessing the remarkable ability to regenerate, chameleons can regrow their tails, an extraordinary feat in the animal kingdom. This tail regeneration serves a critical purpose. Chameleons use their tails for balance and mobility while navigating through treetops. If a predator attacks or if an accident happens, losing a tail is no big deal for these resilient creatures. They simply regrow it and carry on. It's a process that's as colorful as their changing skin and as captivating as their rolling eyes. The chameleon's ability to regenerate is a testament to the marvels of nature's design and evolution's ingenuity. Chameleons, the ever-changing wonders of the animal kingdom. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the Hydra, a tiny creature with an immortal reputation. This minuscule freshwater animal, often no larger than a few millimeters, boasts an astounding regenerative ability. Got a piece of Hydra? That's enough to grow a whole new organism. Now, imagine being able to replace any part of your body that gets injured. That's the reality for the Hydra. It can regenerate its entire body from just a few cells. Cut one into 2, and you'll have 2 Hydras. Or cut it into 100 pieces, and you'll have 100 Hydras. It's as if they're thumbing their noses at the very concept of mortality. What's more, these tiny creatures don't show any signs of aging. They could theoretically live forever, barring disease or predation. It's an incredible feat, one that scientists are keen to understand. Could studying the Hydra unlock the secrets to biological immortality for other species? Only time will tell. Hydra, the embodiment of immortality in the animal kingdom. And finally, at number 1, we have the Axolotls, the indisputable champions of regeneration. These fascinating creatures, native to the mystical waters of Mexico, hold an almost magical ability within their DNA. You see, axolotls are capable of regenerating not just their limbs, but also their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. Yes, you heard it right, their brain. It's an ability that leaves us in awe and wonder, considering the medical implications if humans could harness such a power. What sets axolotls apart is their ability to perfectly recreate the lost body part, right down to the last detail. Unlike other animals that can regenerate, axolotls do not form scar tissue. Instead, they grow back identical, fully functioning body parts. It's a feat that's unparalleled in the natural world. Axolotls, the ultimate regenerators, proving that in nature, there's always a way to start over. From the resilient sponges, who can reform from a single cell, to the remarkable salamanders, who can regenerate their limbs, tail, and even parts of their heart. We've encountered the amazing spiders and resilient spiny mice, who can regrow lost appendages and skin respectively. We've marveled at the starfish, a true star of regeneration, in the mighty sharks, who can regrow their teeth throughout their lifetime. We've delved into the world of the Mexican Tetra, a tale of adaptation and survival in the dark, and the colorful chameleons, who can regenerate their tail. We've discovered the immortal Hydra, which literally cannot die of old age. And finally, we've met the unparalleled axolotls, the ultimate regenerators, who can replace any part of their body that's lost or damaged. These incredible abilities are not just fascinating, but hold significant implications in the context of survival, evolution, and potential applications in human medicine. Scientists are studying these animals, hoping to unlock the secrets of their regenerative powers, which could revolutionize medical treatments and even extend human lifespan. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, in the world of nature, there's always a way to start over.